Rockford homeowners take pride in creating attractive, comfortable living spaces, both to enjoy today and to increase property value for the future. One of the most visually striking and value-boosting upgrades available is the installation of bay windows. These beautiful, outward-projecting windows offer a unique blend of style, functionality, and enhanced natural light that instantly elevates any home's appearance. Whether you live in a historic Rockford neighborhood or a newer suburban community, bay windows deliver an elegant upgrade with long-term benefits. Here's how bay window replacements can dramatically enhance home value in Rockford neighborhoods. Boosts curb appeal with eye-catching architecture. Bay windows add depth, dimension, and visual interest to the exterior of your home. Instead of a flat, ordinary facade, a bay window creates a gentle protrusion that enhances architectural charm. For Rockford neighborhoods, ranging from classic brick homes to modern remodels, bay windows offer a more upscale, polished exterior, a unique, standout feature that adds character. A welcoming, well-maintained appearance. Increased interest from potential buyers. Curb appeal plays a major role in property value, and bay windows instantly elevate your home's visual impact. More natural light that makes homes feel larger and brighter. Bay windows feature 3 large panels, often a center picture window flanked by 2 angled windows. This design welcomes significantly more sunlight into your home, creating warm, bright spaces that feel more open. Rockford homeowners appreciate the benefits of increased daylight, including reduced reliance on artificial lighting, a more cheerful and inviting atmosphere, enhanced interior design and decor, a sense of expanded space in smaller rooms. Since natural light is one of the top features buyers look for, homes with bay windows frequently have a higher perceived value. Adds functional space inside the home. One of the most appealing aspects of bay windows is the extra interior space they create. The outward projection not only beautifies the exterior but also forms a small alcove inside the room. This space can be used for window seating or reading nooks, decorative displays, indoor plants that thrive in sunlight, additional dining or lounging areas. Functional space is a valuable asset in any Rockford home, and bay windows offer it in a way that feels both luxurious and practical. Increases energy efficiency with modern glass and insulated frames. Many Rockford homes still have older windows that allow drafts, cold air, and heat transfer, especially during winter. New bay windows equipped with energy-efficient glass and insulated frames help seal your home and improve temperature control. Energy-efficient bay windows help reduce heating and cooling costs, stop cold drafts along exterior walls, improve indoor comfort in every season, strengthen your home's overall energy performance. Energy efficiency is a major selling point in Rockford's climate, adding measurable value to your home. Enhances interior views and connection to the outdoors. Bay windows create panoramic views that make your interior feel more connected to outdoor beauty. Whether you're overlooking a landscaped yard, tree-lined street, or Rockford's natural scenery, bay windows offer unmatched visual appeal. They allow homeowners to enjoy wider, more scenic views, bring nature into their living space, highlight outdoor landscaping investments. Buyers love homes with full, unobstructed views, making bay windows a major value-boosting feature. A high-return upgrade that attracts future buyers. Because bay windows improve aesthetics, function, and energy efficiency, they appeal strongly to prospective buyers. Homes featuring bay windows often stand out during showings and online listings. Bay window upgrades help Rockford homes sell faster and at higher prices because they convey a sense of luxury and thoughtful design, increase usable space, improve natural lighting and energy efficiency, add a timeless architectural feature. This makes bay windows one of the most cost-effective upgrades for long-term home value. A stylish, high-value upgrade for Rockford homes. Bay windows offer the perfect combination of elegance, functionality, and improved resale value. Whether you're looking to brighten your living space, improve curb appeal, or make a smart investment in your Rockford property, bay windows deliver lasting beauty and financial benefits. If you're ready to enhance your home's charm and value, an elegant bay window upgrade is a transformative choice for any Rockford neighborhood.